Substitute definition, substitute in a sentence, substitute pronunciation, substitute meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of substitute. Substitute. Sub-sti-tute. Substitute. Substitute as a noun means a person acting in place of another person, or a thing acting in place of another thing. Common usages in academic writing: a chemical substitute, an artificial substitute, used as a substitute teacher, to find a substitute for. Example sentence: substitute, noun. Soy milk is used as a substitute for cow's milk. The common academic writing variations are substitute, adjective. The substitute teacher gave us a lot of homework. And substitution, noun. After we analyzed the data, it became clear that there was no best substitution for natural sunlight. Please write a sentence using substitute in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of substitute, the meaning of substitute, and substitute example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.